Hi every one of you. I'm hoping you all guys will be well exuberant and welcome back to another video. And this is part 11. I hope you have watched all previous part of this series. If you haven't watched yet, so all videos link in the I button, okay? Top of this screen, right side, okay? I hope you got it. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First word is anymore. It is an adverb, okay? And anymore means any longer. Her her old pants don't fit her anymore. Asleep. It is an adjective. When a person is asleep, they are not awake. The baby has been asleep for hours. Berry. It is a noun. A berry is a small round fruit that grows on certain plants and trees. The berry looked delicious. Collect. Collect is a verb. To collect things is to group them together all in one place. I collected shells when I was younger. Compete. Compete is a verb. To compete is to try be better than someone. He will compete with very good athletes. Conversation. Conversation is a noun. A conversation is a talk between people. There were two conversations going on at once. Creature. Creature is a noun. A creature is any living thing. A creature we saw today was either a dolphin or a porpoise. Decision. Decision is a noun. A decision is a choice. He made a wrong decision. Either. It is a conjunction. Either is used when or to say there are two or more possibilities. You can choose to be either white or black when you play chess. Forest. It is a noun. A forest is a place with lots of trees and animal. I love to go walking in the forest. Ground. It is a noun. The ground is the top part of the earth that we walk on. The ground under our feet was dry and brown. Introduce. Introduce is a verb. To introduce someone or something is to say who they are. I introduced myself to our newest co-worker today. Marry. It is a verb. To marry is to legally become husband and wife. Rose and Henry were married and they lived happily. Prepare. Prepare is a verb. To prepare is to get ready for something. I prepared my speech to the class. Sail. Sail is a verb. To sail is to move about on the water. I love to sail my boat on the lake. Serious. It is an adjective. When something is serious, it is bad or unsafe. The accident was very serious. Spend. It is a verb. To spend is to use time doing something or being somewhere. I like to spend my free time fishing. Strange. It is an adjective. When something is strange, it is not normal. Joe had a strange look on his face after he saw what happened. Truth. Truth is a noun. The truth is a fact or something that is right. He was telling the truth about saying a large green snake. Wake. It is a verb. To wake is to not be sleeping anymore. He is always full of energy when he wakes in the morning. So guys, let's jump into the story. Okay, so guys, I have been asking, and do you want me to do these exercises and reading comprehension? If you want, so please let me know by doing comment. Okay, I will make video on it as well, because I don't want to like make you bored. If I will make me video, so maybe you get bored. That's why I'm avoiding, and I'm living on you and you do them. If you will ask for PDF, I will really give you link of this PDF. Okay, so guys, our story title is Princess Rose and the Creature. There was one a beautiful princess named Rose. Her mother, the queen, however, was not as beautiful as the princess. The queen felt bad that she was not the most beautiful woman in the kingdom anymore. She was tired of competing with her daughter. She made a decision. She prepared a drink for the princess. After the princess drank it, she fell asleep. Then the queen took the princess to the forest. She left the princess there. It was a very serious thing to do. Either she will be killed by animals or she will get lost in the forest. The queen thought the princess had a dream. She dreamed about a man with brown hair and brown eyes. It was the man she would wed. The princess woke up. She saw a strange creature on the ground. It looked like a man, but he was hairy and green. He had horns on his head and a pig's nose. The creature said, "Did I scare you? I hope not. Let me introduce myself. I am Henry." I am not scared to tell you the truth. I think you are cute, said Rose. Rose and Henry spent the day together. They collected berries, caught fish, and had lunch. They had a very good day filled with nice conversations. Rose, I have to go home, said Henry. My ship will sail home soon. I can't leave you here in the forest alone. Will you come with me? Rose was very happy. She gave Henry a kiss right on his big nose. As soon as she kissed Henry, he began to change. His big nose turned into a man's nose. His horns and green hair went away. Standing in front of her was the man Rose had dreamed about. Rose and Henry were married and they lived happily. Okay, so guys, how was today's story? And please let me know. Okay, and what about the previous part of this series, guys? How is it going on? And let us know. Okay, sorry, let me know. And so it will encourage me to do more, like more, and keep uploading such videos every day on daily basis. So please let me know by doing comments. Okay, so guys, if you're new on this channel, so make sure you have subscribed this channel and active bell icon as well, so that you will not miss upcoming video notification in your inbox. Okay, and let us know how was today's video by doing comment. Okay, so if you need this PDF file, you can ask for it. So guys, this was video, and I will wish you all the best, and keep learning, be happy, keep smiling, and never give up. Keep ignoring toxic people. Okay, it is really important, and hang in there. See you in the next video. Bye, till then, take care.